Alright, so today's Thursday, May 1st. It's about 11:45 p.m. where I'm at. So I wanted to get a quick video out. I want to start with Netflix today. Okay, here we go. So Netflix today, the big winner. Since Monday, I've been looking for this as the target for the week. As you can see today, it went right through that level. I also mentioned to watch the 200 MA and the 20 MA for some resistance, and today it went right into that 200, and then as you can see, pulled back. So that's the daily chart. Let's go look at the 10-minute. This line here is the 200 moving average. Currently it's at 342.91. This morning I did buy some puts. I think I bought them somewhere around here, right at the 200 moving average. So far the puts aren't really, they're actually red right now. I'm down about 25%, so not too bad. The stock did pull back from that level, but it wasn't as hard of a pullback as I wanted to see. It kind of just drifted all day long and then bounced back at this target, which was my target for Monday. So it closed above this level here. Tomorrow, I'd like to see Netflix pull back, maybe down to this level, 319. If not, watch this up trending line here that I've got for some kind of support maybe. If that does happen, I will sell my puts tomorrow. So we'll see what happens. Upside, if it decides to break this double top for today, then watch for a break of this, and then next week maybe it decides to go higher. I personally don't think it has much more room to go up, so I'm actually looking for more downside on Netflix. Switching back to the daily. So here we go. Since Monday, 300. I was looking for this as your target. Today broke above that and hit that 200. Came back, and we'll see what it does tomorrow. Tomorrow's the big day. Jobs numbers comes out, so everyone's waiting for that. Another stock I wanted to bring up is Chipotle. CMG. Chipotle daily chart here. This is a nice bearish pattern. It's trading inside this wide range bar, and here this is a very bearish pattern. I haven't pulled, or I haven't bought any puts yet, or I haven't pulled the trigger on this trade. I'm watching it. If it decides to pull back, and maybe once it loses that 200 moving average, maybe I'll take a quick stab at some puts here. This being target 1. There you go. And then this would be your second target. Who knows? Tomorrow maybe it wants to test this 200 or 20 moving average. So right now I'm just watching it because it could pop up here. That 20 moving average currently is at 524.54, so about $24.50 from where it's at right now. But like I said, I'd like to see some downside on this. This is a bearish pattern in here. And then last but not least, SPY. On the daily chart here, I was looking for a break of this level here. Today the market was very indecisive. It didn't really know which way to go. So we had a flat day today. If I switch over to the 60-minute chart here, in last night's video I mentioned this downtrend line here. Watch for that as support. I did end up buying some more calls today. Yesterday I mentioned I purchased a few calls here, weekly calls, held through the Fed announcement and overnight. This morning it was looking good. We were green. We were still breaking, hitting this level, never really closed a candle above it. And then we had a quick little sell-off this morning, and I ended up buying more calls right here. I talked about that line being support in last night's video, so I took the trade, bought more calls here, and I ended up selling them right back in this level. I wasn't liking the choppiness early, so I bought more calls here, sold them here, and then it broke above that level, and then it just towards the end of the day just really died down, just hovered all the way back down here. So we opened here and we closed a little bit above the open, so pretty much flat day today. Like I said, tomorrow everyone's looking for or waiting for the jobs numbers, so that really that's what's going to move the market tomorrow, I think. I was looking for an upside here. I don't like how it traded today. If it had maybe closed strong above this level, then my upside would be up here. Now I mean anything could happen tomorrow, but I think maybe if we get a nice big Friday sell-off like we've had in the past, we could see a nice flush through these moving averages, and then maybe it wants to come back to this level now, 184.80. I would love to see a big sell-off tomorrow and close below this level, but like I said, if anything could happen. If it decides to go up and hit double top at 189.70, maybe a 190 even number, then that would be your level for the upside. Tomorrow I would like to see a sell-off, but we'll see. Who knows what's going to happen? But right now I've got no position in the SPY. So back to the 10-minute. That's the 1 minute. So like I said, today just pretty boring day. Not a whole lot of action there. I'd like to see a nice sell-off into this level here and maybe break through that level. So we'll see what happens tomorrow. And that's all I've got for tonight. Thanks for watching.